Be exalted, O God, above the heavens. Let the glory be over all the earth. I will give thanks to you, O Lord, among the people. I will sing praises to you among the nations. For your steadfast love is great. It is great to the heavens, and your faithfulness through the clouds. Be exalted, O God, above the heavens. Let thy glory be over all the earth. Be exalted, O God, above the heavens. Let thy glory be over all the earth. It is good to thank you, Lord, and to praise your name with music, to proclaim your love and mercy in the clouds. For your deeds have made me glad. At your words I shout in triumph. Yes, how wonderful and how marvelous are your designs. Be exalted, O God, above the heavens. Let thy glory be over all the earth. Be exalted, O God, above the heavens. Let